Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this video is not going to be a long one because hardly we have anything to discuss. Whatever we discussed yesterday are still very much valid because the market has been flat. Market has not moved much. If you look at the market sentiment, we can see dollar struggles for direction, euro close to 1.5 month low. Dollar struggled for direction on Wednesday while the euro remained close to its recent lows on concerns that a new government in France could lead weakened fiscal discipline, increasing debt risk premium across the euro area. So this is the market situation. Euro is in fear of the change in government in France. And if you look at the chart of dollar index, you can see dollar index is still trading around 105.25, 105.30 area. Things have not changed much. If market drops by the European session, we can expect the next support to be around 105.00 to 104.90. This is the next support on the chart of DXY. But if market drops after US session, okay, then this may not work. Okay, because if you look at the economic calendar, we have initial jobless claims that are coming up. It may not be a big event like CPI NFP, but yes, it will bring volatility, and be careful. Okay, so market may be volatile for 1 or 1.5 hours, so you need to be careful at the time of news. So if market drops or DXY drops after jobless claims data, okay, then try to follow the trend of the market. And to continue the upside, dollar needs to cross 106 level, and right now the situation is we can obviously see in front of eyes the situation is not in favor for dollar right now. Dollar is flat, and right now chances of market breaking 106 even after news is also very less. Okay, let's wait and watch. Time will speak. Now euro USD. Okay, we can see a total flat market. So before the US session, if Euro USD goes up, then the previous level of 1.0760 will still be acting as the resistance. Yesterday also we discussed that chances of a 1.0760 working as a resistance is less under normal circumstances. But this is not normal. Market is sleeping. Okay, so if market goes up like this, then obviously due to less volume, market will face selling pressure. If market reverses, we can look for a sell around 1.0760, and the second selling opportunity is on 1.0782. So this is our first resistance, and this is our second resistance, R2. Okay, after news, okay, after news, so if market is very volatile, market surprises us, then obviously, okay, forget about the technicals, go with the flow, try to follow the trend of the market. After all, it is a bitter fact that when news dominates the market, technicals do not work, and we are retail traders. We are here to make money. Okay, so to make money, we need to understand when to go with the fundamentals and when to go with the technicals. So in this situation, okay, we can definitely expect reversal trades. Breakout trades can be very dangerous due to low volume. But at the time of news, if market is very volatile, it will be better and safer for us to follow the trend of the market. So with low volume, if market goes up, this is our first resistance and this is our second resistance. Okay, simply observe the market behavior for 30 seconds, 40 seconds. If you see market is showing price ejection from above, enough, hit the sell button with risk management. Okay, on the other hand, if market drops, we have the first support around 1.07. second support is around 1.0700. Okay, then also we have support around 1.0687, but chances of market going to this level is very less. So let's wait and watch. So these are the levels. Already we have discussed plenty of times in our previous video, so I do not want to go in detail. I do not want to bore my existing viewers. Okay, already the views on Euro USD GBPUSD has dropped significantly. Already people are bored. Okay, maybe I'll have to stop uploading video on Euro USD GBPUSD soon because people are not watching much, and obviously recording a video also takes time for me. But at this moment right now, okay, if market goes down, we can look for buy around these three areas. Okay, now let's look at a chart of GBP USD, British pound US dollar. So British pound US dollar. Yesterday when we were recording the video, okay, we had a news coming up, the inflation data. After that, GBP USD went up sharply. But as we discussed, that volume will play a major role, critical role. If volume, in case of high volume, our level would not work. But yes, the volume was not much, so we could see that our resistance worked nicely. So today, if market goes up also before the US session, we can look for a sell around 1.2750 to 1.2740. This is still the resistance zone for us. Yesterday we discussed why it will be the resistance because of FIBO 38.2, FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, so these factors are still very much valid, and obviously we can clearly see on the chart that we do not have much volume in the market right now. So even if market goes up, the sellers present around this area will not allow GBP USD to cross the area that easily. Okay. If we have a sudden influx of buyers by the US session, then obviously it will not work. Okay, but before US session, chances of seeing an influx of buyers is very less, so we can expect a reversal. And if market drops suddenly, then we have buy around 1.2657, 1.2650. This is our support zone because of previous support around this area. So if market drop, we can definitely expect. And we also have the 200 moving average, remember. So in this video, okay, I did not go in detail because already we have been discussing the same stuff for the last 3-4 days. I am also bored. Okay, I know you are also bored. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. And probably you guys already know that here the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, okay, that I conduct, okay, after 3-4 months, okay, after every 3-4 months is back again. It's starting from tomorrow. Okay, I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. So these are the topics that we will be dealing during the workshop. The workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for a couple of months and years, not for complete beginners. 1 month support. In 1 month support, you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis on our WhatsApp group. We also have a Telegram community where you can interact with other members. And during the 1 month period, okay, you will not you, okay, we will be having weekly sessions as well. So these are the topics of the weekly sessions. So in total, there will be 7 classes. Okay, and obviously you'll be receiving regular market updates and analysis over WhatsApp so that you can understand how to proceed. And the dates are Hindi classes starting from tomorrow, English classes starting from 28th of June. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. If you are unable to attend because of time difference, no need to worry. I record each and everything. The best part is the fees. It's only $15. Okay, it's only $15 or rupees 1,000 for Indians for 3 days workshop, 1 month support. But as we all know, trading is a journey. Trading takes time, isn't it? So if you're looking for a longer relationship, if you're looking for personal sessions, then you can sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support as well. Everything is mentioned on the website, my dear friends. These are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. That's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.